I've had this little tag for probably 3 years now. I took it, I gave it one entire coat of white chalk paint. After that's dry, I'm gonna come in with some of that paper bag, and then in the back section with plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead, or the front section, because this is the front section, I'm gonna go ahead and add plenty of hot glue in the border and then add that paper bag. Once that paper bag is put in place, then I'm gonna go ahead and come in with my X-Acto knife and cut the excess. And here it is. Now it looks nice and professional, so let's go ahead and proceed to decorate it. I also have these stencils. I'm gonna go ahead and come in with my makeup brush and use that metallic silver paint. It is chalk paint, and of course I'm gonna be filling in all these spots. I'm gonna do that to both of the sides, or both of the corners. I noticed that by using this makeup brush, my paint applies really nice and smooth, and the leakage is very minimum. After applying it the second time, then I'm going to wait until it dries. And I also have this ribbon. It's self-adhesive and it is metallic. Of course, it is in silver, and I'm going to start applying it throughout the border. Once it's applied through all the corners, I also purchased these transferable stickers from Temu, and they are so beautiful. Look at this. After peeling that back section, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here in the middle, and then I'll rub it until that transfer is completely transferred into the tag. As I was peeling it, a little bit of the white paint was coming off, but it didn't really matter because you couldn't even hardly tell. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really liking this project. I'm poking the hole because you know that paper bag is in the back, and I have this black ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and add it so like that I can have something to hang that on the wall. And then once that is glued in place, oh my goodness, I have this beautiful flower that I found in the bottom of my stash along with some leftover leaves, and I'm going to start adding them right in this corner right here. And all I'm doing is just adding hot glue and placing them sort of like in a circle, and then once that is done, then I'm ready for that beautiful flower. And then this will be it. My dear friends, let me know what you think in the comments section. I hope you have enjoyed this simple project. I think it looks elegant.
Grab your glue, light up the cheer. Crafty friends are gathering here. From simple finds to something new, we turn our dreams into decor for you. Candles glow.
I have this. I took this from one of my ceiling lamps. I didn't like it, so I replaced it. I purchased this at a secondhand store. Actually, I think this was from a garage sale. I don't remember, but I've had it for a while. And then this, I don't know if you remember these. They sell these at Dollar Tree. I purchased this, I think it was like 3 years ago, and they're battery operated. So I'm gonna go outside and spray paint these two pieces with this Rust-Oleum bright shine finish, and it is in silver. And I'll be right back. It feels like it was a second ago, but no, it took me a while because it was raining out there. Once I sprayed everything, then it got rained on, and I didn't want to go out there in the rain. So yes, so now I took out that section that looks like a light bulb, and of course I'm going to be adding some super glue and hot glue. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue both of these pieces together. And once it's glued, then all I have to do is just replace that light bulb right back in. Well, my dear friends, today is another open collaboration, Talented Creators, and this takes place every third Saturday of each month. Loli from Loli's Creations and I host it, and we always try to bring in a guest host with a different theme. This month is our Talented Creator Late Night Creations with Kendra. I'm going to be leaving the links to these talented creators down in my description box so you could go ahead and visit them and let them know that I send you. There's also a playlist. Don't forget to visit that playlist as well. And here it is, my dear friends, all put together.
Candles glowing, soft and warm, creating beauty in every form. Side by side, hearts align. sharing.
I'm back again, and I'm going to be removing all of this because you know this video is today all about upcycling or thrift flipping. So let's go ahead and take all of this out of here, and let's see what I come up with because I have no idea what I'm doing with this. Okay, so I cleaned this up. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a wipe down with a little bit of alcohol just to make sure that it's nice and clean. And then this one, I have a video. I created a video, I don't know, maybe about 3 years ago. And this was beautiful back then. But because I painted through the inside, I used some white chalk paint and orange. And I did this for the fall. So as you can see, it's all peeling. I'm going to go ahead and take it and soak it into water. Make sure that this is nice and clean and bring back the original color. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm back again. Here it is. I cleaned it. It looks nice. And now we have a clean slate to start all over again. How's that? So I'm going to be using E6000. And this is the way this one looks. It's nice and clean. Now there's a piece missing from here, but when it broke nice and even, so it'll fit nice and flat right there. Oh yeah. So let's see what I come up with. And then if you watch my video several videos ago, I put both of these two pieces like that together. I have like 6 of these and like 6 of these. And of course, you can find these at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it. And once I glue it, I'm going to take it outside. And I'm also going to be painting this with metallic silver spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Well, my glue gun is not warm. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it right here without using hot glue. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it to the side. It should be all dried up by the time I am done with the other piece. So this one, I want to make it nice and glamorous. So these are the gemstones that I'm going to be using. And these are perfect to use because they're so flexible and, you know, you could bend them unlike other ones that you cannot and they'll wrinkle. So these are just perfect. Look how gorgeous. And then for this piece here, this one looks a bit plain. So I'm just going to add some rhinestones right there. And these are the ones that I have. Then I'm going to come in with, again, the E6000, of course. I'm going to add plenty of this because I don't want this to break on me. Or should I say come apart on me? Just going to add a little bit. Once those two pieces are together, the other 2 pieces are already completely dry. I'm going to add a tea candle, and this is it, my dear friends.
Friendship and crafting, who could ask for more? Candle holders dressed with care, little touches everywhere. Dining tables set just right, handmade.
This frame, I had it in the bottom of my stash, but it is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take it apart, take this section out, and go outside and spray paint it with Rust-Oleum white paint. Then I came back and I thought that my camera was recording, but all I did was just peel and stick this wall sticker and apply it right on top of the glass. And then now that the frame is completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all of these pieces together. I'm gonna create a second one, so I'll put this to the side. In the meantime, this second one, this one is from is thrifted, and it says $2, but I surely didn't pay $2. It was a box full of frames, and that was $2. So all I did was remove everything, and then after I removed it, I'm like, this is not white, so let me go ahead and paint it. But in the meantime, I took this nautical fabric, I cut it to size. I cut that border right there because it was a bit thick for me to leave it and have it nice and level inside that frame. So I took some white chalk paint, and of course I am going to be giving it 2 coats. And my dear friends, remember this is part of an open collaboration, Talented Creators. I'm gonna have the links directly to these talented creators down in my description box. There's also a playlist. Don't forget to go ahead and visit them. Let them know that I send you. Coming back to the project, I have another one of those wall stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it right inside the frame, right on top of the glass. And then once that is put in place, I thought that there was something else missing. I took this little wooden flower and I'm giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint. Then once it's dry with hot glue, I'm just going to be gluing it right over here below the frame. And then this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these beautiful DIYs.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.